Hi, my name is Helen Babic. I am an attorney and medical and fertility law specialist. In this video, I will talk about the legal regulation of surrogacy in Ukraine, the features of surrogacy programs for foreign citizens, the documents that are required and the things to consider before starting the program. Surrogacy in Ukraine is absolutely legal according to the legislation. Both citizens of Ukraine and foreigners can enter into the surrogacy program. There are some conditions in order to use this method of infertility treatment. The intended parents should be married. It is illegal to perform the programs for single man or woman or for unmarried couples in Ukraine. The woman should have medical educations for the surrogacy program. Absence of a uterus, 4 or more unsuccessful IVF attempts, inability to carry pregnancy due to the state of health. The genetic connection should be established between the parents, one of the parents, and the child. At the same time, there should be no genetic connection between the child and the surrogate mother. A surrogate mother cannot be an egg donor at the same time. Documents which the couple should provide to the clinic before entering into the program: passport of future parents, the marriage certificate. Please note that marriage certificate shall be either legalized or apostillate. It is also necessary to have the result of medical screening, protocol of previous IVF cycles, medical report confirming education for a surrogacy program. The contract which concluded between the intended parents and the surrogate mother is an essential part of the surrogacy program. The rights and obligations of the parties to such contract are not specified within the legislation, and therefore all future aspects of the program should be reflected in a legally correct agreement. If a draft of such contracts is prepared by an agency which assists the intended parents in the program or by clinic, I highly recommend that the parents study such contract carefully. However, making an additional legal review of the contract by an independent lawyer is even better. It is also important to note that the parents should come to Ukraine before the child is born. Presence of both parents is required in order to register the birth of the child and to obtain a birth certificate. Moreover, it will reduce possible risk associated with use of travel documents, especially for citizens of those countries in which surrogacy is prohibited by legislation. It is important to understand that preparation of all necessary documents for a child after his/her birth can take some time, sometimes up to a month or more, when there is a requirement to conduct a DNA test or to draw up additional documents in order to obtain travel documents at the embassy. Before entering into the program, I always recommend that foreign citizens contact the embassy of the country of their permanent residence, where they plan to return with the child later, in order to receive detailed information about the list of documents required to bring the child born in the surrogacy program back to the country of his/her citizenship. If you need my consultation, please find my contact details below.